Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever struggled with extracting text from complex documents, scanned PDFs, handwritten content, mathematical formulas, or multilingual files, then today's video is going to be incredibly useful. Today we're taking a deep dive into MonkeyOCRv2, one of the most advanced open-source OCR and document intelligence models available. Unlike traditional OCR tools that simply read printed text, MonkeyOCRv2 is a text-centric visual foundation model designed to understand documents at a much deeper level. It combines fine-grained text modeling, cross-task representation learning, and cross-lingual capabilities into a single powerful AI model. What makes this model truly impressive is its versatility. It can parse complex documents, recognize text in multiple languages, understand document layouts, extract mathematical formulas, detect document tampering, identify text in natural scenes, and even separate overlapping text that most OCR systems struggle with. Whether you're working with invoices, books, research papers, forms, receipts, contracts, screenshots, or multilingual documents, MonkeyOCRv2 is built to handle them all. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete installation process from start to finish. So if you're ready to unlock the power of next-generation AI-powered OCR and document understanding, make sure to watch until the end. Let's jump right into the installation and see what MonkeyOCRv2 can do. Click on the GitHub link in my description to go to main page of MonkeyOCR. You can read its documentation and everything you need to know from there. I tried installing from GitHub, still many errors to fix thanks to Zenocide to create Hugging Face demo of it. You can try it here before installing. To install, you need at least 6 GB graphic card. CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11, Git for Windows, FFmpeg, Visual Studio. You can watch my playlist on installing these dependencies. Once everything ready, click on 3 dots at right top and choose Local Run option. Choose Clone Git option and copy Git clone code. Now go to drive or folder you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Paste code you copied to clone this. Type cd and go to clone folder, copy its path and paste next to cd. Now you are inside clone folder. Create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now install PyTorch. It is important both CUDA Toolkit and PyTorch match. First check what version you got installed. Go to main page of PyTorch and copy code match to your CUDA version. If you don't see your matching version, copy any code and paste in command window. (126) represent CUDA Toolkit 12.6. Change it to your CUDA version and add Torch audio before installing. Once PyTorch install, go to main folder, open requirements file. Remove Torch Vision, add spaces and Gradio, then save requirements file. Now in command window, run requirements code to install requirements. After requirements installed, run main code. This will download models running it first time. When you see local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch MonkeyOCR. To avoid ruining codes again, go to main folder and create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click this run file and use MonkeyOCR. Upload documents you want extract and click Praise Document. And that's it. MonkeyOCRv2 is now installed and ready to use. I hope this guide made the installation process simple and helped you get started quickly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials, open source tools, and local installation guides. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.